In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show successor tasks in Microsoft Project. Understanding successor tasks helps you see what comes next in your schedule and how work flows from one task to another. I'll walk you through 3 clear ways to display successors so you can quickly interpret relationships, confirm dependencies, and troubleshoot delays. First, the simplest method is to add the successors column to a task view. Start in a familiar view like Gantt chart or task sheet. Right-click any column header, such as task name, choose Insert Column, and then pick Successors from the list. You'll immediately see the ID numbers of each task that follows the selected task. If the column feels narrow, drag to widen it so long lists are easier to read. Remember, these are task IDs, not names, which keeps things concise. If you don't see the successors you expect, double-check that the tasks are actually linked with Finish to Start or another dependency type. The Successors column doesn't create links. It simply reveals the relationships that already exist. Next, let's visualize successors directly on the Gantt chart with task path formatting. While you're in the Gantt chart, go to the Format tab and open the Task Path dropdown. Choose Successors to highlight all tasks that follow the currently selected task, or pick Driven Successors to see only those that are directly impacted by it. You'll notice the related bars and connector lines change color, making it much easier to trace the flow at a glance. This highlighting is dynamic, so when you select a different task, the path updates. If the chart becomes visually busy, you can turn the highlight off the same way you turned it on. Finally, use the Relationship Diagram view for a graphical map of dependencies. Go to View, open Other Views, select More Views, and choose Relationship Diagram, then Apply. This view shows tasks as boxes with arrows indicating predecessors and successors, giving you a clean, network-style layout. It's especially helpful when you want to confirm complex chains of tasks or understand branching logic. For added context, you can split the screen and place the relationship diagram above or below another view, like the task sheet, so details and relationships are visible together. If your project is large, scroll to navigate the diagram and focus on the section you care about. When you're done, simply return to the Gantt chart or your preferred view. With these 3 methods, the Successors column, task path highlighting, and the relationship diagram, you can quickly see what's next, understand impacts, and keep your schedule aligned.